Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best automotive power tools on Amazon. Power tools can make maintenance even easier by speeding up repetitive processes like fastening nuts and bolts. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. This cordless drill driver is compact for small spaces. It has a high-performance motor, high-speed transmission with 2 speeds, and a keyless chuck. It weighs 3.6 pounds and comes with a 20V lithium-ion battery pack, charger, and bag. It also features an LED light for dark areas. The batteries last a long time and charge quickly. The tool is balanced and stable and feels good even if you have large hands. It has nearly the same amount of power as a bigger and heavier drill and doesn't fade. Instead, it performs at 100% capacity before the battery dies. The light also stays on for several seconds after the trigger is released, and there is more than enough power for home or garage projects. However, the plastic chuck feels cheap, has a tendency to loosen, and does not hold drill bits very well. Number 2. DeWalt Cordless Drill Driver Kit. The DeWalt Cordless Drill Driver Kit comes with one 3.6-pound 20-volt cordless drill driver that can handle a wide range of in professional applications. This is mainly because the drill features a high-speed transmission, which offers 2 speeds of 0 to 450 rounds per minute for regular tasks and 1,500 rounds per minute for fast drilling and fastening applications. It also comes with a high-performance, smooth-running, brushless motor that pushes out 300 watts of power. This translates to about 57% more runtime than a standard motor. For enhanced gripping strength, the drill is designed with a 1/2-inch single-sleeve, ratcheting, keyless chuck for securing your bits. This will help you work faster while being safe. Another important feature is the ergonomic 1.9-inch handle that feels comfortable in the hand, offers a better grip, and helps to keep the drill balanced, even when you are working for long hours. Number 3. Kymo Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Kymo's cordless drill driver has 2 variable speeds and is designed for screw driving, drilling, and impact drilling. The all-copper motor is lightweight and efficient and has a maximum torque of 330 pounds per inch. It is compact to fit into tight spaces and features a built-in LED light and a 46-piece accessory kit with drill bits, screwdriver bits, and driver bits. It also has a forward and reverse switch. This drill has a good grip and the handle feels nice in your hands. It's a great tool for the price, it's not too heavy, it has good power, and it charges quickly. The light is convenient when you use it in dark areas. It's also easy to carry due to its compact size, and it's easy to maneuver in small spaces. One complaint about this drill is that drill bits may not attach securely and often need to be retightened. Number 4. Worx 20V Switchdriver 2-in-1 Cordless Drill and Driver. This 2-in-1 cordless drill and driver features a switch driver head so you can quickly change between different bits. It has a 2-speed variable gear train, automatic torque control, and a battery that works with both 20V and 40V tools. It features a trigger-activated LED light, and it's lightweight and compact, weighing just 2.75 pounds. With this tool, you no longer need a separate drill and driver. You simply spin the drill holder to rotate to the other chuck, which is loaded with another drill. It's powerful, comfortable to hold, and convenient to use. The battery is also strong and lasts a long time. It's ideal for people who want to work more quickly and efficiently. However, there are a minimal amount of special fitting drill bits available, and you have to purchase them separately. Number 5. Milwaukee 18-volt Compact Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This kit comes with a 1/2-inch compact drill driver and a 1/4-inch hex compact impact driver, 2 batteries, 1 charger, a belt clip, and a storage bag. The drill driver produces 400 inch-pounds of torque, while the impact driver has 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. The tools are lightweight and have built-in LED lights, battery gauges, and variable speed triggers. The fit, finish, and feel of these tools is excellent. The lithium-ion batteries last a long time and stay charged between uses. They provide full power until the last second, instead of gradually dying down. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.